Tammy Slaton has never been the kind of reality star to fade quietly into the background. From the moment she and her sister Amy Slaton first appeared on TLC's hit show 1000 LB Sisters, she became one of the most talked about personalities in reality TV. Over the years, Tammy has battled obesity, health scares, family struggles, and the public's judgment. Yet she has also surprised her fans time and time again by showing strength and resilience when many doubted her. After years of being nearly immobile and relying on oxygen to breathe, Tammy is now in a new chapter of her life and is finally feeling good enough to celebrate. Her recent skin removal surgery has given her a new lease on life, and in true Tammy fashion, she isn't doing things halfway. Fans spotted Tammy out and about recently at a throwback style party, rocking her new body and dancing like it was 2009, the kind of night that nobody ever imagined Tammy Slaton would be able to enjoy again. The transformation Tammy has gone through is nothing short of astonishing. At her heaviest, Tammy weighed over 700 pounds and was told repeatedly that she might not live much longer without drastic changes. Her health was declining fast and her journey into rehab and eventual weight loss surgery was documented on the show. Viewers saw her endure setbacks, tears, and even moments where it looked like she had completely given up. But now, after successful bariatric surgery followed by skin removal procedures, Tammy's body is drastically different. She has shed not only hundreds of pounds but also the excess skin that once weighed her down physically and emotionally. When she walked into the party recently, wearing a fitted outfit that showed off her slimmer frame, there was no doubt that Tammy wanted to make a statement. She was not hiding, she was celebrating, and she was living a moment fans never thought they'd see. The theme of the party was pure nostalgia. With throwback hits blasting from the speakers, neon lights filling the room, and a crowd that looked ready to bring back the early 2000s energy, Tammy dove right in. Eyewitnesses described her laughing, singing along to hits from Beyoncé and Lady Gaga, and even attempting dance moves that would have been impossible for her just a year ago. At one point she was heard shouting, "Rock that body," with her friends hyping her up, echoing the famous Black Eyed Peas song that was dominating charts back in 2009. The vibe was contagious. The same Tammy who once struggled to climb stairs without assistance was now twirling on the dance floor, moving freely in a way that stunned longtime fans of T.H. show. Social media quickly lit up with clips and photos of Tammy from that night. One fan posted on TikTok with the caption, "Tammy Slaton is out here living her best life like it's 2009. Never thought I'd see this day." The post went viral, garnering hundreds of thousands of views and comments full of praise. "She deserves this so much," one fan wrote, while another commented, "From oxygen tanks to dance floors, Tammy is proof that anything is possible." Even critics who once doubted Tammy's ability to change found themselves admitting that her energy was inspiring. The sight of her celebrating in a crowd, rather than sitting at home watching life pass by, became one of the most talked about moments in the 1000 LB Sisters fandom this year. For Tammy, this night wasn't just about fun. It was symbolic of the new chapter she's been working so hard to build. Her weight loss and surgeries weren't only about aesthetics, they were about survival and quality of life. She has often spoken about wanting to feel normal, to do the everyday things that others take for granted. Dancing at a party, wearing trendy clothes, and being able to move without pain were once distant dreams. Now they are her reality. Tammy has expressed gratitude to her doctors, her family, and especially her fans who supported her through the darkest times. By stepping onto that dance floor and showing off her confidence, she was sending a message not only to her supporters but also to anyone who has ever struggled with self-doubt or health issues. Change is possible, and joy is worth fighting for. Of course, Tammy's journey hasn't been without controversy. Throughout the show's run, she was often criticized for her attitude, her reluctance to stick to diets, and her tendency to push back against family members trying to help. Viewers were divided. Some saw her as stubborn and unwilling to change, while others believed she was simply overwhelmed by years of pain, addiction, and mental health struggles. But what cannot be denied now is that Tammy has crossed a threshold that few thought she could. From a hospital bed to a packed party floor, she has silenced many of her critics, proving that persistence and support can change a life. The timing of her celebration also lines up with speculation about the future of 1000 Sisters. Fans are eager to see how Tammy's new body and new outlook will be portrayed on screen. The show has documented her struggles, but will it now shift to showing her newfound freedom and joy? Some fans believe that Tammy's transformation could mark a turning point in the series, moving from a focus on survival to a story about thriving. If Tammy continues to make appearances like the one at the recent party, there's no doubt that cameras will want to capture it. After all, few redemption stories are as powerful as this one. Family members have also weighed in on Tammy's celebration. Amy Slayton, who has gone through her own weight loss journey while raising her kids, reportedly cheered on her sister's big night. Amy has said many times that all she wanted was for Tammy to live long enough to enjoy life's milestones. Seeing her sister singing and dancing was emotional for her, and it was a reminder that all the hard moments they endured together were worth it. Other relatives who had once doubted Tammy's survival were equally shocked and proud. It was a night that wasn't just about Tammy, it was about everyone who had been rooting for her, even when things seemed impossible. Experts have also pointed out that Tammy's transformation is an example of what can happen when obesity treatment goes beyond surgery. Skin removal, which is often the final step in massive weight loss journeys, doesn't just change a person's appearance, it changes mobility, comfort, and confidence. For someone like Tammy, carrying hundreds of pounds of excess skin was a reminder of her old life and a physical burden. Removing it has allowed her to feel lighter, both physically and emotionally. Psychologists note that such changes often bring a boost in self-esteem, which can explain why Tammy was so eager to celebrate. Instead of hiding her body, she is showing it off proudly. Tammy's bold step onto the dance floor has also reignited discussions about body image in the reality TV space. Some fans argue that her story should be a reminder not to shame people for their weight but to recognize the difficult path to recovery. Others say that while Tammy deserves praise, society should also focus on prevention and healthier lifestyles before people reach such extreme situations. Whatever the debate, one thing is clear, Tammy Slayton has become a symbol of possibility. Her "Rock That Body" moment is already being replayed and quoted across fan pages, meme accounts, and pop culture blogs. As the night wrapped up, Tammy left the party smiling, surrounded by friends and well-wishers. Her energy was infectious, and she seemed determined to carry that confidence into whatever comes next. She may not know exactly what the future holds, but after everything she has been through, Tammy is finally in a place where she can laugh, dance, and party like it's 2009. For fans who have watched her near-death experiences, her tears, and her moments of despair, seeing her come alive like this is more than entertainment, it's a triumph. Tammy Slayton isn't just surviving anymore. She's living. Thanks for watching this video and please subscribe our Beyond 1000 LB's YouTube channel for more update news.